Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to start leading these guys through how to install ScreenCast-O-Matic and how to upload their content to YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to have them do is run down to navigate to ScreenCast-O-Matic.com on Google Chrome.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for Kyle to get up there too. He's on my laptop, he's not used to it. That's the wrong one, man.
Oh.
Maybe you should just search ScreenCast-O-Matic in Google Chrome. Okay, use the second one right down there.
This one?
Yep,
okay.
That's the first one. Yep, click on the first link.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is just click start recording in the middle of the right screen.
Okay.
And then click launch recorder. That's going to start to download the program for you. Okay, you're going to have to click on download. I already had a previously downloaded ScreenCast-O-Matic. So the thing Eric needs to do is what you're going to need to do if you're downloading this for the first time is click on the web launcher. Otherwise, you can always go into the File Explorer on your personal PC and go to downloads and find the web launch recorder.exe.
Click on?
Yep, click on the web launcher recorder.exe. That'll open it, and then we can start learning how to create content for YouTube.
Super.
Alright, so Eric has it brought up on his screen. It's the little white thing he's getting his set up, and Kyle's also just finishing downloading his. Just a forewarning, this will take a while if you are on slower internet. It's not a huge download, but it does take a bit of time.
And we're both downloading at the same time.
Yeah, it also doesn't help we have two people downloading stuff at the same time.
Oh,
Just waiting on Kyle's. Looks like he's about to finish. You can probably minimize the Chrome now.
Sure.
Just probably close the window.
Yeah.
We don't really need it. Alright, so the next thing, now we got it all downloaded. The first thing we got to do is click on the arrows to adjust the size of the screen right at the window. That'll make sure that we're capturing as much of the screen as we want to. You can set it for really whatever you want, depending on what your personal preferences are, whether you're streaming or recording for YouTube. So then next step we got to do is figure out what we want to record, whether it be just the screen, the webcam, both. And we could probably just set it to use the webcam or the screen. It doesn't really matter, right, for this video. And then the next thing we need to do is click on narration. That's going to be the first thing we need to decide. That's going to be what microphone we're using to record the content. So click on narration right now. And then that's going to bring up the different microphones you have available for you. I always just use the default. Otherwise, if you have your own separate microphone,
okay,
then you can just use the default. And then underneath the microphone is computer audio. That's where it's just going to capture the basic narration. It's just going to be the audio only. It's not going to have any content visually. So then underneath that, where it says preferences, that's the different settings where we can select whether we want to select hotkeys to pause the video, whether we want to change the countdown, whether we want to full screen controls. I usually just use the default. You don't really need to. That's something that you'd have to set personally for yourself, of what depends on the content that you're recording. So then now we're going to get into actually how to record the video. You click on the little red icon at the bottom where it says record. That's going to actually start recording your videos. That's something that if you really want to. It's going to show a countdown, 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like Kyle's already recording. So, I mean, this is getting pretty meta. We're recording ourselves.
Yeah.
You can probably close yours.
Okay.
And Eric, you can probably close yours too. This is just more of an informational video on how to train and use the program. So now you know how to really do it. So next, since we both recorded videos, we're going to click done. And this is going to bring up the options of what we're going to do with it. So both Kyle and Eric have the options now of what they want to do with it. First, I'm just going to, for more simple users, I'm going to teach them how to save it as a video file. So click as Save as Video File. This is something, I mean, once you have your YouTube account, we haven't gotten to that point, we're going to figure out. So let's click on Browse. That's going to be under by folder. That's going to be where we decide where we want to save it. Sometimes people create a new folder for it. Otherwise, you can just use a default folder as well. A lot of Windows computers will come with my videos. Otherwise, Kyle, you can just save it to my documents. Eric, save it wherever you can find.
So just here?
Yeah, that works. As long as we can find the video at a later point, that's the only important part, is make sure that you always save it to a location that you can find again. So now we're pretty much done recording our videos. We got our video recorded. We got the settings set up the way we want to. So let's go up and actually show how to upload it to YouTube. I know both Kyle and Eric have YouTube accounts.
I think so.
So we're going to navigate to youtube.com. There is a step in here that where if you don't have a YouTube account, it will show you and explain to you how to upload it and create an account first. So that way, because otherwise you will not be able to upload it to YouTube without having a YouTube account.
Oh, well, I do have a YouTube account.
So first thing we're going to do is go now. Kyle, both and Eric are both on the YouTube homepage. They have both signed in. So we're going to go up to the right of the search bar and click on the first option on the left where it says upload. There you go, right there. See, now neither of them have, Eric has not created a channel yet, whereas on my laptop that Kyle's using, I've already have my own channel created. So now we're going to just figure out how we're going to actually upload it to video. So first we're going to open the File Explorer. This is once you have your account and everything set up, you could just publish straight from ScreenCast-O-Matic to your YouTube account. So we're going to have Eric open up the file with his File Explorer and navigate to the folder where he has his videos saved.
All right.
Yeah, me and Eric make way too many videos. He has way too many stored right now. And I mean, I suppose it doesn't matter. You could probably just upload anything. We're not actually going to upload this for now. This is just more of an informative so that we can just teach you how to upload.
What's the date?
Today is the 20th of November.
Oh, whatever.
So Eric just decided that we're just going to upload one of his streams
We're just
from
gonna,
when he's been playing Final Fantasy or Smite or whatever we're playing at the time. So Eric just found a video. Just click now and either select it, right click and select, or just drag and drop, which is probably the easiest. And now that Kyle's got his up, wait, Kyle does not have his up. We're having technical difficulties here. It's in Documents, Kyle. You just need to scroll down a little bit.
This is where it goes.
Oh, click on the ScreenCast-O-Matic folder.
Oh.
Recordings. And there we go.
No.
Nope, Kyle. You lost. See, this is the problem. We lost the file.
Yeah, put it in there.
Alright, let's just go back and click on Documents again.
Yeah, except put it right there.
Click on Type, so we can write up name, date modified at the top.
Type.
Right there. Oh. So then let's scroll down, see if we can scroll up on this.
Nope.
Okay. Click this PC. Click on this PC.
Videos.
Click on videos. There, we got one video right there. So we'll just upload that one. Kyle lost the file, so we're going to have to make sure that for future reference. So Kyle, all you got to do is just click on it, hold it. Yep, let's do that one, and then drag and drop. So both of them now have their content up. The video is processing. Kyle's is still uploading. But right now, this is the screen where you can decide whether you want to have it be a private video. Eric can show you right there where it says private, unlisted, scheduled. This is something where you could schedule videos to come out at certain times, whether you want to set it to private so anyone can be, or private so that only people you invite to see it can see it. Otherwise, public, anyone can see it. So then Eric's just adding a title to his that he's showing that, you know, he knows that he can figure out what he wants. Descriptions where you upload whether certain information about your video, whether it just be descriptions about the game you're playing or what you're trying to teach people. So this is just something that we can just go along with and watch Eric he's gonna show you where the description is, and he's just gonna type in, we're learning how to use Screencast and upload to YouTube. And since we're not actually gonna upload these when you're done uploading, when you actually finish entering in all the information of what you want to put in, some people only put in, a short little description. Otherwise, some people put in a very long description. You click done, and then your video would be uploaded, and it's going to give you a page to where it has a link to your video. Otherwise, you can view the video on your personal channel. So therefore, that's about all we got for you today. We're going to let you get to work and upload your own content to YouTube for everyone to see, and thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.